Hello and welcome. Today we will speak about how to prepare documents in LyX. As an example, I'm preparing tests for my class. The topic is calculation of integrals. Writing is very easy. At first, download LyX, which is an open source, it's a free program. It is available in many languages. So you don't need to learn code or documentation. It helps you to write very nice documents in only a few minutes. If you need to prepare tests for your class, it's the only one software that you will need. So we will look together. I'm in LyX program. I'm starting with writing one integral. And as you can see, you can choose from all what you need. It's very easy. Now, it's a write for you code. It means you don't need to know anything. And it's all finished. You can look, this is your PDF document. And it's very professional. So we can look our code. It's all documentation. If you need to put it together in LateX, so you can copy and after download, paste. It's very easy. Now you can see how is my finished document, how it looks like. It's really nice. So please try and you will see how it's easy. Thanks for watching and bye.